name is Sean Davis, and today I'll be talking to you about the Enron case. So today we'll be going into the highest court that the case reached, the legal issue, the historical context and facts, the pros and cons, the court's decision and reasoning, the outcome, and finally the legal update. Okay, so the highest court that the case reached was the United States Supreme Court, and then the legal issue regarding the case was that Enron's business practices were unethical due to they modified their financial statements and misrepresenting their numbers to be more favorable than they actually were. Okay, so some facts and historical context. Enron is an American energy, commodities, and services company that was founded in 1985 and was headquartered in Houston, Texas. So the shares of Enron reached their peak in August of 2000 at $90.75, and it was at its lowest point in January of 2002 at only 67 cents, right after they went bankrupt. And their earnings had been overstated by several $1 million, and many of the top executives were tried for fraud. So some pros and cons. A pro of the Enron case was that it led to increased internal control in companies and more checks and balances, like the Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002. And some cons was that a lot of investors lost billions of dollars, and it also led to a lack of faith in corporate America from investors. And the court's decision was that Jeffrey Skilling and Kenneth Lay, they were both found guilty. Jeffrey Skilling pled guilty to 19 counts of conspiracy, fraud, false statements, and insider trading, and he pled not guilty to 9 counts of insider trading, while Kenneth Lay was found guilty of all 6 counts of fraud and conspiracy. So the outcome of the case was that Lay was he died on July 5th, 2006, as a result of a heart attack, and his sentencing was scheduled to begin on October 23rd, and it was vacated because obviously he passed away. And then Skilling, he was sentenced to serve over 24 years in prison, and he started his sentence in December of 2006. So finally, the legal update was that many business schools currently have courses in ethics because of Enron, and the Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002 was passed, which, as I said earlier, led to better internal controls for accounting firms. And also Skilling, his sentencing was reduced over 10 years in 2013 after he appealed it, after serving 6.5 years in prison, and he could get out of prison as early as next year, 2017. Thank you.